Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I did a fall inspired coppery dark brown eye. I really like these kinds of look for fall. With my brown eyes especially, I just think it's like one of those colors that really helps brown eyes pop. If you want to know how I got this look, please keep watching. Okay, so let's start. I'm gonna just put up my hair. So I'm still using my favorite moisturizer, the one by First Aid Beauty, the Ultra Repair Cream. I'm gonna start with foundation. So I put on my foundation already. I used this one, the Born This Way foundation in Natural Beige. I am still loving this one, my MAC Pro Longwear concealer. I'm in the shade NW25. And I bake under my eye. Eyebrows are on. I'm going to now prep my eyes for eyeshadow. So my eyelids are prepped. I'm going to put on top of that some of my MAC Studio Fix powder. The brush that I used was the M504. This palette here, the Morphe Jacklyn Hill palette. So I'm going to first use my Morphe M443 brush. Pookie. Is this Pookie? So taking Mocha, I love these names, I'm going to place it on the base and just pat that on. I'm going back in with this one, the M433 brush, and I don't have any product on it. I'm just gonna buff the two. Take Chip, which is a little bit darker, and I'm going to lightly line my lid. I'm going to keep going back in with this brush, and I'm just going to keep going back to it to blend out the color. I'm going to take not the black one, but the one right next to it. There's still no product on my brush. I'm going to blur out that outer V to kind of elongate my eyes. Going in with this brush again, the M522 brush, I'm going to spray my brush. Here, Jack's. And then blend it. I'm gonna quickly line my eyes and I will be right back. Okay, So I'm back. I just did my eyeliner and my lashes. So for eyeliner, I used the Morphe gel liner in Jet, and I paired that with the little eyeliner brush, the M443, the Ardell Demi Whispies. You can buy a pack of them anywhere. Walgreens, Amazon, Walmart. I don't know if Walmart sells them, but definitely Walgreens and Amazon, CVS. I'm still using the Voluminous Lashes by L'Oreal. I love this one. This one and the Telescopic are my two, like, I can't live without mascaras. I'm gonna go in with this guy right here. It is the Lancome Crayon Khôl, and something that I like doing is going in with a black shade. I'm gonna use the same palette. It has a really nice black shade down here, and I'm going to use this M210 brush, and I'm going to line I lined the black liner with powder so it doesn't smudge and smear throughout the day. Like, my eyes get super watery, and this is the only trick I found to keep my eyeliner placed where I place it. It's kind of like powdering your foundation, sort of, you know? This is the E36, and I'm gonna go in with these two, where are they? These two shades under my eye. Y11 brush, feather that off, and I'm just gonna place a little bit of this pressed powder under my eye. Okay, so now I'm gonna bronze up my face. I'm gonna go in with my tiny brush. I love this one for my nose. It is the M515. My shade and light palette, and I'm gonna pick the deepest shade. I'm gonna do this blush by Kylie Cosmetics in the color Close to Perfect. My mirror broke for this blush. I'm not a big fan of the quality of these products. Okay, for highlight, I'm gonna use this one. It's from Wet n Wild in Precious Petal. This is a really, really nice drugstore highlight. Put Sweet Tea by Morphe. On top of that, I'm gonna use the NYX Lingerie XXL in the shade Turn On. Okay, I'm gonna take down my hair. Okay guys, so this is my final look. And that concludes this video. I'm going to put in the description all of the products that I use. And this one, I'm definitely gonna try to add subtitles. I hope future me does that. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next. Bye.